Hello, my creative and spooky friends. In this video, we are DIYing some creepy Halloween decor that is perfect if you're looking for easy, aesthetic, and a bit creepy Halloween decor to spook up your home. Let's get into it. Everything you need for this DIY is from Dollar Tree. To make this creepy, icky jar of eyeballs, you're going to need a jar. Dollar Tree has some great options, but you can also use any jar you have at home. You'll also need some eyeballs from Dollar Tree. I grabbed 2 packs. And lastly, grab any color of soap, bubble bath, or shampoo. I got this vanilla bubble bath because I thought the yellow goo would look pretty gross. I'm using this jar that I had at home. So I'm pouring in some of the eyeballs first, then I'm adding some of the soap. Then I realized I added way too much soap and I couldn't close the lid. The trick with this DIY is getting the ratio of eyeballs to soap just right so your jar has plenty of eyeballs in it and the lid will still go on. I thought the silver lid made it look more like a specimen jar in a laboratory. I definitely need to give credit to the Tidbits and Tutus blog for this awesome DIY idea. I wanted mine to glow, so I grabbed these LED Tealight candles from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to just set one behind the jar to illuminate it from behind so it looks extra creepy. Considering how easy this is to make, it really makes a statement. This next DIY is made with items from your own backyard. That's right, so I'm heading outside to find some sticks that are worthy of being displayed. My goal is to style them just like I would style large greenery stems inside a vase. So I'm looking for sticks that are large and swoopy, and preferably are curvy and a bit creepy looking. After collecting your stash, we'll be removing all of the leaves in preparation for the spray paint. I'm using this flat black spray paint by Rust-Oleum. This is my go-to spray paint because it's a good quality paint with good coverage and it's only about $6 or $7. I can get quite a few projects out of one can. Not sponsored, but Rust-Oleum, if you're listening. I did 1 coat on each side, and then when it was dry, I took off any branches that were too low on the stick so that it would go into the vase nicely. If your sticks just aren't sitting quite right, something I love doing is putting a smaller vase inside to hold the sticks in place better. You can do so many different things with these, like add on some clip-on ravens or bats, cover them in faux spider webs, wrap them in lights, or even hot glue some faux leaves onto them. I absolutely love this spooky version of a vase arrangement. Next time you're at Dollar Tree, grab a vase you like and it can be easily turned into a spooky light-up Halloween decoration. We'll be drawing a spiderweb design on the vase using hot glue. Don't worry if you've never drawn a spiderweb before, they are super easy. The best part is if you mess up, you can just take off the hot glue and retry. The first step in creating a spiderweb is just drawing out this shape as if you're cutting a pizza or drawing a snowflake. You can choose to draw several of these on your vase, do it on both sides. I'm just going to do one big spider web on one side. After that's done, you'll add in the webbing by drawing curved lines between each of those long lines we drew. Just keep the curves going in the same direction. I used some tweezers to pull off any strings of glue, and now it's time to paint. I'm using this Rust-Oleum flat black spray paint, and I did 2 coats total. It looks so cool like this, and I almost stopped here, but I wanted to take it a step further and make it light up. So carefully peel off all of that hot glue, and you'll see where the paint didn't get underneath. To make it glow, just use any string of battery-powered lights you have, pop it inside, and you have a spooky, glowing spiderweb vase. Thank you all so much for watching. There is more Halloween content where that came from, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss a thing. See you next time.